The NATO Secretary General officially announced the transfer of air defense systems to Ukraine. NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg issued a statement in which he noted that the alliance had decided to provide Kiev with new weapons. Moreover, as before, we are talking about anti-tank systems, but now unmanned aerial vehicles and air defense systems have been added to them. Today, alliance leaders also agreed to provide further support to Ukraine, to help protect their fundamental right to self-defense. Allies are also providing Ukraine with significant military supplies, including anti-tank and anti-aircraft systems, as well as drones, which are proving to be highly effective. In addition, significant financial and humanitarian assistance is being provided, Stoltenberg said. It is noteworthy that a few days ago, the deployment of Patriot systems was completed on the territory of Slovakia. They were replaced by S-300 complexes, which the Slovak authorities promised to immediately transfer to Ukraine. In this regard, there are very serious concerns that quite long-range S-300 air defense systems may be transferred to Ukraine. Experts regard NATO's actions as a direct intervention in the situation, which could force Russia to stop the transfer of Western weapons to Ukraine.